Hi, what I want to do is show you what I plan on doing in your forward plans. Um, the, uh, the thing that I think is needed is, of course, training, and that's what you've asked for. But the training that has been provided in the past has been sometimes given with information overload. I know because I've done it myself. So I come to the plant and I put on a 2-day session, but 3 months later, your guy still is not an expert, doesn't understand how to use the units, and because the training was done in a way where it was just information overload. So what I want to do is to change that pattern. I want to provide weekly training sessions for your in-house experts. And so what I will bring them to do is to help them to understand how to read the tonnage, how to read the tonnage signatures. The tonnage signatures are important so that you can understand what's happening with the machine. How to repair the tonnage meters. Sometimes I might even show them how to change a circuit board. How to repair a sensor wire. This is a typical sensor that we have mounted on the press. Some of your sensors might be inside the press, mounted on these pull rods. I also, down the road, I'd love to show your guys how to calibrate using load cells. Most of the plants have load cells already, and yet you'll call in somebody from the outside to calibrate them. Why not have your own inside guys do that? I want to also detect how to detect true readings from false readings. So if you have an alarm, your guy will actually know whether it's true or false. And how to set limits that are close enough to the press to protect your dies. And also, we have a company here that is always doing engineering updates. And I would like, if your guy is experiencing a problem, well, maybe we have an update for that I can send to him. Now, how am I going to do this? What I do is I will actually be doing this from a webcam. So I'll put this headset on and I'll use this little webcam and actually be able to talk person to person with the guy on the other line, with your specialist on the other line. I'd like to do this for 1 to maybe 3 hours a week on a regular basis for maybe 1 or 2 months, depending on how long it takes. So the question is, does your company want to go in this direction? And I'm excited about it. I think it's a option for you that you really can't lose on it because the cost is lower. You don't have travel costs. You don't have my hotel costs. You don't have pay for gasoline or airfare. All of that's gone. It's just the straight hours that I am on directly speaking to your in-house specialist in conducting this training. So I'm excited. Let me know if you're interested in this, and we'll get together and get a quote out and get going with this plan. All right? Thank you.